The best fit line command lets you create a line string through a series of points. So here I have some points. If we take a look, you'll see that they're business center point objects. So they're actual points. And I'm going to go to the CAD tab, and I'm going to go to best fit line, and I'm going to select the points. So I'm just going to do a window selection around these points. Now you have a couple different options here. You can do a straight line in 2D. So you can see here that it's just best fitting it through this series of points. I can do a straight line in 3D, so not only is it doing it in 2D but in 3D as well. And I can do a polynomial curve in 2D, and based on the polynomial degrees, you'll see that you'll get different results. So right now with just 2, it's going to best fit a curve through this data. Same thing in 3D. And then I can change the degrees. So if I went to 5 or even bumped it up, you can see that I've got a scroller over here that I can click on, and I can add additional degrees as well as switch to a 3D curve. So it's going to go ahead and do the both 2D and 3D. So again, the more degrees, the more curvature you'll get and best fit through there. So depending on how and what your needs are, you have a few different options with the best fit line. When you're happy with it, you click apply, and it will create a line string. You'll see that it creates basically a line, and in this case, if you've got your line markings on, you'll see the elevations along the line.